How to file a life insurance claim. Filing a life insurance claim as soon as possible can help alleviate financial stress quickly. The process is as simple as collecting a few documents and contacting the insurance company. Read on for 5 easy steps you need to follow when filing a death claim, the types of roadblocks you might encounter, and how to confirm if you are the rightful beneficiary of a life insurance policy. Key takeaways: life insurance claims are only delayed or rejected in rare circumstances. You can choose to receive a death benefit in the form of a lump sum or annuity. After the death of a loved one, it can be difficult to find energy or focus, let alone gather up all the paperwork needed for a life insurance claim. Death certificate, certified proof of death, ensures that policies are being claimed legitimately and helps prevent fraud. In most cases, you won't need to file for a death certificate yourself. Rather, you'll need to request a copy from whoever prepared it, usually the funeral home or medical professional who confirmed the time and place of death. Policy document. The policy document has all of the pertinent information about the life insurance policy, the term, the death benefit amount, policyholder details, etc. The insurer will cross-reference this with its records to make sure you're filing a claim on the correct policy. If you're having trouble locating the life insurance policy document, you can try contacting the insurance company directly or reaching out to their financial advisor. Claim form, also known as a request for benefits, this is where you fill out information about the policyholder, including their policy number and cause of death. You'll also indicate your relationship to the policyholder and how you would like to be paid once the insurance company finishes processing your claim. Once you've rounded up all your documents, you'll need to get in touch with the insurance company that issued the life insurance policy to notify them of the death and file your claim. You're in your rights to collect a death benefit at any time after your loved one has passed, provided that their policy was active at the time of death. First, the insurance company will make sure the policy is still active. Insurers are incentivized to pay out as quickly as they can to avoid interest charges on unpaid death benefits. Depending on the insurer and the plan, there are a few different ways you can choose to receive the death benefit. After your beneficiaries receive the death benefit payout, they'll likely take on your financial responsibilities. While the death benefit will protect them from financial duress, there is still the new stress of navigating a new financial reality while grieving the loss of someone they love. Laying out your final wishes, anything from your funeral arrangements to how you'd like the death benefit to be used, can alleviate some of the difficult decisions your loved ones will have to make when you die. The life insurance death benefit isn't paid out automatically. Beneficiaries must file a death claim to receive the payout, which is why you should talk to your loved ones to find out if you're named as a beneficiary. It's a good idea to make sure your beneficiaries are aware of any policies you have in place, says Patrick Hansel, certified financial planner and advanced planning team lead at Policy Genius. There are a lot of life insurance companies out there, and simply knowing you're the beneficiary of a policy isn't enough. To file a claim, you'll need to know where the policyholder bought a policy from. While it's completely possible to find a lost life insurance policy, it's extra stress you don't want to take on when grieving the loss of a loved one. To be best equipped for the death benefit claims process, ask your loved ones for the following policy information. The insurer's contact information for death benefit claims. If all of your beneficiaries die before you and there isn't a named beneficiary who can claim the life insurance proceeds, the death benefit may go into a trust that is used to pay off any debts owed by the decedent's estate. When that happens, the insurer reimburses the premiums paid to the beneficiary or the deceased's estate, but the death benefit isn't paid. Suicide. policies have a suicide clause that states that a death benefit will not be paid out if the insured commits suicide within the first 2 years of purchasing the policy. Homicide: if the deceased was killed, the insurance company will wait until any beneficiaries are cleared of wrongdoing before paying the death benefit. Filing a life insurance claim isn't as complicated as it sounds, but can be difficult when you're mourning the loss of a loved one. We've compiled a resource for grieving beneficiaries to aid in the death benefit claims process.